Hi, my name is Tim Schofield, and I've been a tech YouTuber for over 9 years. Having owned tons of different technology, I've realized so many accidents happen, ones that just can't be planned for. HP CarePack offers support for your HP PC or printer and provides extended coverage with different plan options. They offer optional PC theft protection and even next day printer replacement if something were to go wrong. Support is available 7 days a week, and don't worry, I checked. There are no hidden fees or deductibles. The peace of mind having the HP CarePack support plan is so valuable, considering if there were to be an unforeseen accident or something went wrong with your hardware, you can let HP know and it's now their problem. The HP CarePack services provides the extended coverage that you need at an affordable price. While more and more people are working from home, myself included, and remote learning becoming increasingly popular, printers have become an important device to have in the house. If you're like me, you rely on your printer to just work. At the chance that something were to go wrong, whether it's a hardware or software issue, HP is there to help and solve the issue promptly. The HP CarePack services provide the extended coverage and printer protection you need to stay productive. As far as coverage goes, HP provides 1 to 4 years of coverage and enhanced printer protection. They offer a fast response, so CarePack services work to get you up and running as quick as possible, offering next business day exchange. So, if an HP tech support agent is unable to resolve your printer issues, they'll ship a replacement printer to arrive next business day. They even provide everything you need to ship the broken unit back and nothing to worry about, free shipping and free returns for that added peace of mind. Not only do you get peace of mind from the fast response HP CarePack offers, but also the enhanced protection. If your printer's having issues, it could possibly be fixed on the spot, so take advantage of HP specialists that are able to provide remote support to diagnose and fix your issues. This is friendly, judgment-free support from expert support specialists available over the phone or through chat. And again, if they're not able to fix your issue, you could take full advantage of the next business day exchange. If your HP printer is in warranty, there are CarePack services available in 2, 3, or 4-year terms to enhance your printer's standard warranty for better service and faster resolutions. You have the option to purchase this service when you buy your printer or during the first year of the standard warranty. Don't worry, they also offer post-warranty coverage when your standard warranty or CarePack expires, so why not keep a good thing going? This coverage is available for 1 or 2-year terms, and it also includes remote problem diagnosis and the next business day exchange service, which is pretty awesome to have post-warranty. You can purchase post-warranty services for your printer up to 90 days before your standard warranty or HP CarePack expires. Make sure to keep an eye on this to get the most out of your printer. You never plan for a device problem, but trust me, they happen. The peace of mind you get with an HP CarePack is a no-brainer and helps you get the most out of your HP printer.